Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other content and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up on this video and leave me a comment down below. So it's been a while. I noticed I haven't done any gel polish swatch videos, I think since spring. So I did purchase these three Beetles gel polish sets off Amazon, and they each come with 6 gel polishes. Each one is a 1/4 ounce each. So these are on Amazon. I have added them to my Amazon storefront, and that link is down below. I am going to swatch these for you, and as I swatch them, I'll let you know the set name. So this first set, the name of these are Gold Yellow, and they're numbered 223 through 228. So I'm going to do the swatches in numerical order. So the first one's going to be 223, the second one's going to be 224, and so on. And that is important because this is also a giveaway video. So I'll give you those details shortly. So I'm going to do the first coat on camera. Off camera, I'll do the second coat and top coat it. And as you have already seen, I am going to show you a swatch with them matte and shiny. So that's what I'm going to do for each one of these colors. So again, I'm just going to do the first coat on camera, and then I'll show you the shiny top coat and then the matte top coat as well. And again, this is the gold yellow set. I'll leave the names of the set down below, and again, these are in my Amazon storefront. So the reasons the numbers matter is because there's one color in all 3 of these sets that I will absolutely never in my life use. And I'm saying never because I mean never. So if anyone can guess which color that is, then I'll order them one of these sets and just send it from Amazon to your house. So essentially the way the giveaway is going to work is the first person to respond in the comments below with the color that I'll never use is the winner. It's pretty simple. So just as you watch the video, and as you guys have watched some of my videos before, you know which colors I really like. You kind of know which colors I'm not really into. So this should be an easy one. So just put that number of the color you think that I will never, ever, ever, ever use in the comments down below. So in the comment, leave your Instagram name so that I can contact you. Leave the name of the set of the polish set that you want to win, and then leave the number of the polish I'll never use. I'll leave those instructions down below as well. And obviously you have to be following me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel to win. So this set again was gold yellow, and here are all of the swatches together, the shiny and the matte top coat. The next set of colors, they call this Wintergreen. Those numbers are 253 through 258. And I kind of wanted to get some more fall, quote unquote, fall colors to add to my collection. So that's kind of what I was going for with these 3 sets that I chose. I didn't really choose the brights like I wanted to. And I mean, for me personally, I'll wear whatever I want, whenever I want. But I am planning some collabs on my channel. So I wanted to do a fall collab. So I wanted to get some more fall colors. So previously my collabs were open just to anyone who wanted to join. Moving forward, my collabs for now are going to be members only. So who's ever have joined my membership, one of the perks is a monthly collab. So that's one way to help grow your channel. Also, another thing that I'm going to be doing starting in September is shouting out my members on my videos. So just give a little shout out to your channel, say what your channel's about, and link that below. So if you are interested in my memberships, that link is also in the description box below. So like I said, I was doing them. They were open, but I just wanted to switch it up for a little while and just make sure the people that were participating were invested in my channel as well. The whole YouTube thing is I'll help anyone who needs to be helped, but I started to see that sometimes it was a one-way street, and I'm not really okay with that. A lot of you guys have DM'd me, asked me questions about certain things, and I always answer them. I just feel like if you're not really interacting with my channel and you reach out for information, but you're not really engaging in my channel, that's kind of not really fair. But it is what it is. But that's why I just wanted to switch it up for a little while. And it's not personal against anyone. It's just a lot of work goes into the collab. So I just want to make sure that it's a two-way street where that support is mutual. So I said a lot. I really didn't intend on saying any of that, but I guess it did need to be said. So let's go over the giveaway rules quickly again. You're going to have to pick the color number that you think I'll never ever use. And all you really have to do is leave your Instagram name so I can contact you, leave the name of the set you want to win, and then leave the color number that you think I'll never use in the comments down below. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. And the link to my Instagram is down below. So that previous set was Wintergreen. Those colors were 253 through 258. This set is Berry Merlot. These colors are 393 through 398. And I'm not really giving my opinion on the sets because I really want to see how well you guys know me and see who picks the color that I'll never use. So the first person to pick that color, I'll just pin that comment and let them know that they won. So then once you see that pinned comment, then you don't have to comment anymore. So I think it'll be fun. A cute little giveaway, something simple. So definitely leave that down below. And so the top and the base coat that I'm not base coat. I didn't use a base coat for this video. The top coat and the matte top coat that I'm using are both by Beetles, and they are both in my Amazon storefront as well. Beetles is one of the top coats that I use on myself. Madame Glam is one of my favorites. Beetle is one of my favorites as well. So as far as the matte goes, I do like the top coat. However, for me personally, I don't like the texture of matte nails. I don't like textured nails. That's why I rarely ever do rhinestones on myself. It's just something weird. I just really don't like it. But on the occasions that I have used it, I've used the Beetles one and the Madame Glam one, and they're both really, really good. So definitely those are in my Amazon storefront if you are interested. And everything should be under gel polishes. So at the end of this video, I am shouting out a small business, Coco's Custom Creations. And she reached out to me and asked me if I could shout out her business. And then she sent me some stuff from her boutique. And, well, I told her, yeah, of course. And she sent me some stuff from her boutique. So hopefully you guys will check her out. I will leave her Instagram down below. And she sent me a really great package. She did some custom jeans. She sent me some slides. She sent me a lot of stuff. I'm not featuring it all in the video. She did a custom shirt for me. So definitely, I'll show you a couple of the things that she sent. Definitely check out her Instagram. She does like budget books. What else does she do? She does budget books, the defense keychains, lashes. She does have clothing. She also has custom clothing. She has a lot of stuff on her website. She has body scrubs as well, so definitely check her out. And so the stuff that she sent me, like I said, I'm only showing some of it because she sent me a lot of stuff. The first thing that I want to show is her her business card and her flyer. And again, I'm going to link her Instagram down below. So if you want to screenshot this, you can, but it will be linked down below. And I know that she is working on her website. So she's a small business. So just definitely check her out. Check out her Instagram. The first thing I'm going to show you is the lashes. So she sent me 2 pairs of lashes that she sells at her, excuse me, in her boutique. And the packaging is so cute. I've never worn lashes before, so I think I'm going to get myself some glue and just try them on and see how they look. Um, but yeah, I've never worn lashes before, so I'm excited to try these. And she also sent me the little tool that you use, so I'm about to be on some YouTube videos trying to figure out how to apply these lashes because I've never used lashes. And then the second thing I want to show you is her Defense keychain. And this is super, super cute. I know some of us might not like huge keychains, but you can definitely leave this in your car, or when you're walking from your car, just grab it from your purse. So I think this is what you put between your fingers if you have to punch somebody. And then it comes with a mace. And then it also comes with a cute little holder for your lip gloss. I did see on her Instagram, she does do these in a variety of colors. So definitely check that out. And that, again, her name is Coco's Custom Creations on Instagram. And again, I'll link that down below. So check out her boutique. And yeah, so if you want me to review your small business, my P.O. box is down below. All my information is down below. So again, guys, definitely enter the giveaway. It is for one of the sets I reviewed in this video, not all 3, just one. So you have to let me know which one you want. If you want the gold yellow, the wintergreen, or the berry Merlot, you have to give me your Instagram name so I can contact you. And also you have to pick the color number of the polish you think I'll never use. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And I will see you guys soon for another video. Thanks so much for spending your time with me.